You stick the pipette in your beaker, squeeze this beforehand, pull the water up, put it on there, and pull it up. And then you have to stop it with your finger or it'll fall out. So the amount that we have is this, which is what? 4.19-ish.
4.19-ish.
That's going to be the initial. Sucks for them. Alright. So now you have to transfer it. And you just let some out. You want to do more or no?
You want to pull it down to 7?
Okay.
Now, wait. About 0.71? 7.1? Ish?
7.12.
It's okay. Is it 19? No, isn't that 20 right
Okay.
there?
So now I empty the rest because the amount that's in our beaker is the volume delivered. So now we're gonna. So now we're gonna re-tear it with the water in the beaker. Put our beaker plus water inside the measure.
Just ridiculously impossible.
Okay.
And that would be our mass of the beaker plus the water inside it.
To find the mass of the volume, or the mass of the water, you subtract the mass of the beaker from the mass of the beaker plus water. Once you have that, you divide the delivered volume, which we found to be 2.93 after subtracting the final from the initial volume. You divide the volume delivered from the mass of the water, and that gives you your density, which we found to be 1.02, which is right on target because the mass of water is 1 gram per milliliter.
Not bad. So we're good. We're better now.
Okay.
0.8.
Okay, let's get this.
Put all water up
Yeah.
into the warm cup.
Okay, so I think we're good now. So for the mass of the beaker, we should go.
Stop.
We want to measure
So it doesn't
everything.
run out.
Or do you want to just kind of?
And the
Yeah.
number it is at
It doesn't really, I don't really care. Whatever you want to do.
is at about 5.2-ish.
5.26-ish.
5.26-ish.
Okay. And you have to make sure that you read it at eye level at the bottom of the meniscus because otherwise
Or it would be
it's inaccurate. You want to make sure that everything is level.
empty some into the graduate cylinder. Or into the beaker, I'm sorry. Is that good about that too? Or do we want a different number? That's about the same number. Or it's going to calculate
Yeah, we'll
the
just
difference.
for this and this is whatever amount we
Okay, so
want.
that number is about 7 point. What is that? About 7.1. 7.13-ish.
Okay. So the difference between those, if we calculate it, here I'll pause it.
Alright, we're going to weigh the water plus the beaker. We're going to tear this. We're going to slide this back. Put the beaker with the water inside. And the number we come up with is 68.72 for the beaker plus the water that we added.
Before Before using the Morse pipette, we cleaned it with water and solution 3 times.